Welcome to our video on event registration. Events are located under People, Events. Registration can be set up for an event during the process of adding a new event, or you can edit an event to add registration. If the event is already added, click on the paper and pencil icon to edit the event. Whether you're first setting up the event or editing it, the screen is going to look the same. Click on the Registration tab at the top of the page. Here, you will be able to add ticket types for your event. You can add as many as needed. By default, one line will already exist in the screen. You will simply click into the fields and add the necessary information. Every ticket type will require at least a name. The rest of the fields are optional. Adding a ticket price and the ability to add donations during registration will only be available if you've added the paid registration feature to your subscription. Adding a capacity limit will prevent additional registrations for that ticket type once the capacity has been reached. A helpful suggestion is to add a waitlist ticket type for those who are interested in the event but were unable to register before the capacity limit was reached. When viewing the registrations, you can see the timestamp of each registration, and you'd be able to contact the next in line for an event if there are any cancellations or extra spaces available. You can require registrants to complete emergency contact information for any ticket type. Tickets can be made anonymous. This means that you do not need the name of each individual ticket holder, only the name of the individual registering for the event. An example of an anonymous ticket would be if you were holding a concert and Angie registered for 4 tickets, 1 for herself and 3 for her friends. You probably don't need to know the name of each ticket holder in that instance. An example of a ticket type that is not anonymous would be if you had a day camp or a VBS for children, where Janet registers her 3 children for the event. You will likely want to know the name of each child that will be attending. If you do have the paid registration feature added to your subscription, and you'd like to offer the ability to add a donation to any registration, click the Yes bullet, and you will also have the option to add a message to go along with the donation field. Properly formatted email addresses and web addresses beginning with https:// will automatically hyperlink in the message on the registration page. When you have completed your registration setup, click Save and Close. When you click on the View icon for the specific event, there will be a link that you can share to take someone directly to the event registration page. The registration page can also be accessed by clicking on the event on your calendar. Once someone has registered for an event, they will appear in Icon CMO under the Registered column for that event. Click on the number in that column to view the individuals who are already registered. First names, last names, and email addresses can be overwritten in the event that they were mistyped during the registration. If the email address that was used to register was already in your database, the system will automatically match that person to their individual record. This allows you to see what events they have registered for from their individual record. If they used a different email address, you can click the link under the membership column that says Click to Match. This will bring up a window that allows you to match the registration to an existing individual's record. You can also add a new individual to an existing household, or add a new household altogether if the registered individual wasn't already in your database. If any individual is matched incorrectly, click on the link to clear the match. You can mass email the registrants of a particular event by clicking the email icon and selecting All Registrants. If the All Registrants option is not available in this window, then there are not yet any individuals registered for this particular event. To learn more about setting up events or our events calendar, please check out our other videos. Thanks for watching.